Platinum Tech's 7-piece metric flare nut wrench set includes 14 sizes that range from 9 to 24 millimeters. The wrenches have an opening in the head that gives them greater access to fittings used on tubing. The flare nut design allows for better grip without slipping. They also have a 15-degree offset wrench head. The wrenches are ideal for use on hex nuts made of softer materials. It also meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. The set is made from chrome vanadium steel for strength, with a full polished chrome finish for corrosion resistance, and easy cleanup. For more information on this product, or to see the full line of Platinum Tech products, please visit atdtools.com.